Whether it's urban apartments or rural courtyards, mice are common unwelcome guests. Today, I will teach you 3 simple and practical mouse catching methods, both cost-effective and relatively safe and effective. Help everyone effectively solve the mouse problem. Hello everyone. Welcome to Jinmang Life Tips. Method 1. Natural rat repellent ball. First, take out a tissue and place it on the table. Then take out a complete set of mosquito coils. Break out the necessary part of the mosquito coil. Put the mosquito coil on a tissue. Using the side of a glass bottle, put it on top of the mosquito coil, rolling back and forth on the surface of mosquito coils like this, until the mosquito repellent turns into small pieces one by one. After crushing, pour all the mosquito coils into a crushing container, and then keep pounding hard. Mash the mosquito coil into powder form. Then pour the mosquito repellent powder into a clean small bowl. Then take out the baking soda. Sprinkle an appropriate amount of baking soda into the bowl. Then stir evenly with chopsticks. Let's take out another tomato. Cut in half on the cutting board. Divide it into 2 hemispheres. Then take out the freshly mixed powder. Apply on the cut section of tomato. After wiping everything off, it looks like this. Then take out the prepared leftover rice. Spread the rice evenly on the mixed powder. Every time you add a little rice, immediately compact it. After all the rice is cooked, a natural mouse repellent ball is done. Placed in a place where mice often appear, such as corners of the wall, bottom of the sofa, etc. But when they smell the scent of the rat repellent ball, they will immediately flee. Make mice never want to come near your home again. This natural mouse repellent ball has a good effect, but there are still some difficulties in operation. Then let me teach you a simpler method of rodent control. Method 2. Fragrance trap. Firstly, choose a container of moderate depth. Pour a handful of rice or other grains into the bottom of the container. This will serve as bait to attract mice. Mice have a special fondness for grains and find it difficult to resist this temptation. Then add a small amount of cooking oil. Stir evenly and mix thoroughly with rice. The function of cooking oil is to make rice more fragrant. Finally, add a small amount of dishwashing detergent to the container. Then stir evenly again with chopsticks. Dishwashing detergent is the key to this trap. Wait until the mouse is tempted to eat fragrant rice. It will cause poisoning due to the substances in the detergent. This way, the house will no longer be disturbed by mice. Besides using bait to keep mice away from home, you can also create a trap. Block the movement of mice and prevent them from coming out. Let's continue reading together. Method 3. Plastic bottle reverse trap. First, prepare a large plastic bottle. Ensure that there are no residual beverage flavors that interfere with the aroma of the bait. Then at approximately 1/3 of the bottle's position, cut the bottle horizontally. Then cut several vertical bars about 1 centimeter wide around the body of the puzzle. Bend these vertical bars inward. Form a structure similar to a barb. In this way, there will be no obstacles for mice to enter. But when they want to exit, these thorns will stop them. Finally, place bait at the bottom of the bottle. Peanuts are a great choice, because it has a strong odor and is difficult for mice to resist. You can also add some refined milk on top of peanuts. Make the bait more attractive. Place the made plastic bottle trap in a place where mice often appear, just like in the corner of the wall, under the cabinet, or in the corner of the wall. Ensure that the mice can enter, but cannot exit. The materials required for this video are shown in the picture. If needed, you can take screenshots and save them yourself. Alright, that's all for today's method of expelling mice. I hope these methods can be helpful for your life. If you also like our videos, don't forget to like and follow us. Thank you for watching. See you next time.